Have you ever thought about walking off the golf course straight into your own backyard? My name is Bill Leach. I work with the Hiller Group. We have a property right here where you can do just that. Walk off the golf course, walk straight into your own property. We've got 1008 College Boulevard. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has 2,656 square foot. It has a den. It has a formal dining room. And it's got 200 square foot of a screened patio where you can watch the golfers all day long. Come see us.
Mm-hmm.